Welcome to my technical channel. Today we learn about RESTful Web API response and status code post. To create a resource 200 OK, the request was successful. Some API calls may return 201 instead. Patch/put method patch and put are HTTP methods used to update resources on a server. Put typically replaces the entire resource. 200 OK and HTTP status code indicating delete method delete. To delete a resource, the delete HTTP method is used to remove a specific resource from the server. Get method get to get a resource or a list of resources retrieve data from a server. It does not modify any server data.
Client error 4 sends bad request, invalid request.
401 unauthorized, auth required. 403 forbidden, authenticated but not allowed. 404 not found, resource doesn't exist. Redirection 301 moved permanently. 302 found. 304 not modified. Success 200 OK, request succeeded. 201 created, resource successfully created, commonly with post. Thank you for see this video. Please like and subscribe to my @Coder Shivam technical YouTube channel.